how to create party room on Starmaker Karaoke app. So if you want to create a party room, then first you need to open up your Starmaker application and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you can go to your room, which will be on the upper right. You can simply tap on rooms. You can simply tap on the plus icon, which has that room. And once you go for your room, here you can choose sing together, chat, or chorus room, magic stage, or grab mic. You can choose any one of these options. So I'll be choosing sing together. And then under here, you need to enter your room name. And you can also tag someone if you would like to tag. But if you don't want to tag, then you can simply go for create for free, which is on the bottom. And that's it, your room has been created successfully. So that's it, that's how you create your party room on Starmaker Karaoke app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.